Human is the only animal that drinks other animals' milk. And at the beginning of our existence, we couldn't drink milk because at the age of 6 or 7 their bodies begin to lose the ability to create lactase, the enzyme that breaks down the sugar in milk called lactose. If you try to drink milk before 7,000 years ago, you will have diarrhea and vomit. So what happened?
Borden's is the good milk. It's the only milk I drink.
Me too. Why don't you ask your mom to get you Borden's milk? It's good.
The industrial process. On the farm, they use vacuum cups to milk the cows. The milk is then stored at 5 degrees or less in a large refrigerated vat. Within 48 hours, milk is taken to a milk factory. The milk factory applies the pasteurization technique, which heats the milk to 72 degrees and cools it down immediately to destroy any harmful bacteria and microorganism. Then there's something called homogenization. Milk is put under pressure through the fine nozzle, which makes the milk have a more consistent texture and taste. After this, there are many other processes like centrifugal separation, ultrafiltration, reverse osmosis, ultra-osmosis, spray dyeing, permeate. This other process sounds fancy, but it just helps the milk company produces an extra product like low-fat milk, skim milk.
The very brief description above about the whole milk process raises a question: why we need a complicated process like that to produce milk? Why can't we just drink raw milk if it's so beneficial? The answer is raw milk can kill you. It carries dangerous bacteria such as Salmonella, E. coli, Listeria, Campylobacter, and others that cause foodborne illness, often called food poisoning. Sure, the industrial process can kill these bacteria, but not only the harmful ones but also the beneficial ones. 75% of humans on Earth can't consume lactose, so the milk company added the human-made lactase enzyme which breaks down the lactose. Does this sound natural to you? Approximately 8% of milk samples were found to possess pesticide residues and violated the MRL's values. People have suggested that estrogen in cow's milk might promote the growth of hormone-sensitive cancers such as breast or ovarian cancer, for example. Others worry that hormones in milk might cause early puberty in children. There are also a lot of antibiotics in the milk due to the industrial process, which can lower your immune system. 25 to 50% of harmful substances in our bodies are related to cow milk. There are many other harmful things that milk can cause to you. So milk isn't safe after all, right? Why is this happening? Answer: the power of advertising. Take a famous example, the Got Milk campaign. In the 1970s, a shift began. Milk, while still considered a fundamental part of diets, was seeing increased competition from soft drinks, which is also bad for your health, by the way. By the 1990s, milk was under siege by soft drinks, sports drinks. An ad agency came up with a brilliant idea, a worst-case scenario. It features a radio listener eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich while following along with an on-air trivia contest. When the host wants to know who shot Alexander Hamilton, the man knows it's Aaron Burr. But without milk to wash down his food, it comes out as a non-blurring. This ad alone helped the milk industry boost the milk consumption in California to 755 million gallons. Another reason is the government is protecting dairy products with a competitor like plant-based milk. Dairy milk producers want the FDA to stop soy, almond, and oat beverages from using the term milk, and they succeed.
The whole plant. Between 2012 and 2017, dairy milk sales dropped 15%, while sales of non-dairy milk grew by 60% in the US alone. People started to notice the healthy benefit of non-dairy milk like almond milk, soy milk. Here are some of the reasons. The first one is surprising: non-dairy milk provides more calcium than milk. Nearly any existing milk advertisement on earth has the same motto: drink milk equals more calcium for your bone. But guess what? Research shows that most non-dairy milks provide 50% more calcium than non-dairy milk. The second one is that it's free of cholesterol and even lower calories. High cholesterol levels can lead to many diseases related to your heart. The third one is that it's easier to digest. You don't need some fancy enzyme that is man-made to help you digest the non-dairy milk. The fourth one is the most attractive for you. It's cheaper for your environment and your health bill. Dairy-based food production has created a negative impact on the environment and our health at the same time. The price of non-dairy milk is higher. Part of a reason that I could think of is the government support for dairy milk.
Conclusion.
The dairy industry tried for 20 years to convince you that milk was good for you. It's a lie, but they tried anyway. And the sales were going like this. And then they tried Got Milk, and the sales are going like this. Got Milk doesn't even talk about the product. Matter of fact, it focuses on the absence of the product.